This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Yesterday we have seen a dictionary with similar values, and a dictionary can also be defined, and dictionary can also be defined with heterogeneous values, dissimilar values. Means key value can be of one type, key can be one type, and value can be another type. We can give like that also. So let us watch that example. X equal to, let us write Python 99 and Java. This is 100. You can give any values. And Django equal to 82. And Flask can be 99. And let us print values of X. And let us install, let us say Oracle equal to, here I am going to say, this is in the place of Oracle, I will write Django equal to 92. And print X. And I am defining one more dictionary type. This is 100 HYD and 12.212. This is something like Bangalore.
Is it Django, right? Fifth line.
Uh,
Django. Fifth line. X of Django. GO, right? You are replacing the value. Okay. Fine.
yes, yes, you are replacing that. We
Okay,
are
sir.
replacing that.
Thank you.
Let us replace 5j equal to 9. We can give some values. This is to demonstrate your values. Keys can be one type and values can be of another type. And let us print y also. Let us see this. Okay, this is how you can have dissimilar keys and dissimilar values.
Okay, sir.
And here x of Django equal to 92. X of Django equal to 92. So it was replaced by 92. Let us take one more program. This is going to demonstrate how keys and how values can be retrieved by using methods. And let us define. Let us copy paste this. Int x, x of what I can substitute. Okay, let it be like this only. Print x, and when I say print x of Python,
Sir, I
it is
couldn't
going.
see the PyCharm window, sir. Only I could see the text bar.
PyCharm window.
Yeah, I didn't see. I could see only that text. I mean, Visual Studio VS Code only.
Mm,
Oh, yeah. Now it is coming, sir. It was hanged earlier.
okay,
X of Python,
and
15
print
lines. Okay, sir.
x dot get. Get is a method in the Django. X dot pop. There is. I'm removing which one I have to remove. I can remove Java. Print x HTML. Let us run it. Okay, so here Java was removed. So when Java is removed, the remaining values, the rest of the values are printed. Python, Django, Flask. So when I say x dot pop Java, okay, the whole key and value both will be removed. And when I want to say print x of Python, so print of x of Python means 99 was printed here. And x get dot Django. So Django's value is 82. 82 was printed. And x dot pop Java. So key value pair of Java was removed. And finally, okay, they have printed. Three values are printed here: Python, Django, and Flask. So here get is a method here. So get is a method. So when you give key and the corresponding value will be printed. The corresponding value will be printed. So if you want to remove item also, x dot pop item, the last value will be removed. And here we have one more method here, k equal to, so you can write x dot is, and you can print and v equal to x dot values. These are also methods from dictionary class, and print v.
Sir, again it's got hanged. I could see only up to 18th line. Print of X. Later I didn't see any lines.
18th line.
Yeah, up to 18 line only I am able to see. Remaining lines I couldn't see.
Yeah, I think your screen is frozen. Maybe do one thing. Okay,
Okay.
so exit once and rejoin.
Ah, okay, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Joined, sir.
Are you
Thank
able
you.
to see now?
Yeah, yes, sir. Up to 22 line I'm able to see, sir.
Are you able to see this one? My PyCharm also.
Ah, yes, sir. I'm able to see the PyCharm as well, sir.
Are you seeing a dictionary keys Python Django Flask? Dictionary values 99, 82, 99. So yeah, this is how you can display keys and values by using dictionary methods.
Sir, is there a way we can change the keys of dictionary?
What do you say?
No, now we have key value pairs. We are able to change the value. We can also, is it any possibility of changing the key also, sir? Or replacing the
Where
key
we
name or something?
where we change values here.
Yeah, if I wanted to change instead of Django, I wanted to change it to Java or something, or some other technology .NET or something. Will it be
There is no
possible,
direct
sir?
method. We have to write a separate script, but there is no direct method to delete to modify keys.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, so is it clear, right?
Ah, yeah, this one is clear, sir. Yeah.
Next one. So when it comes to dictionary comprehension, here I can say x equal to p colon p into p in range 5. Now say print x and y equal to, this is q q into q in range 5 to 15 if q percentage equal to or is not equal to 0, and print y. This is dictionary comprehension. And p colon p into p in range of 5 0 to 4 0 to 4, and this is dictionary comprehension, right? Let us run this. And it is going to print values. What happened? What is missing here? It's
Square
5.
bracket?
Square bracket is given, right?
No, sir. You give a parenthesis. You give curly braces, sir, instead of square bracket.
Where?
X equal to curly braces, y equal to curly braces. That should be square bracket, right?
No, this is dictionary, right? Dictionary curly brackets
Dictionary,
only.
dictionary. Okay, okay, sir.
It seems like correct, right? Where it is missing p into p in range of 5. Okay. Y is equal to q into q in range 5 comma 15 if q percentage 2 is not equal to 0. Right? Print y. What is the error? Expected else. Is expected else. Everything seems correct only, but where it is missing, brackets are given. Print x, print y is equal to q into q in range 5 comma 15. In inaudible brackets, percentage 2 is not equal to 0. It is missing.
Sir, can you segregate the 1 to 5 in range in a list and then put in
This one.
that list? Yeah, 1 to 5. Don't use range, sir.
Saying like this.
Not range. Don't use range, sir. You can use list inside instead of range. You can use list. The square bracket give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and try once, sir. Whether
It is
it
showing
will
error in
work or not.
it is showing error in queue here. Line number 4.
Yeah, because line number 4. Oh, print X is printing. Line number 3 is printing. Can you line number 3 is also not printing, sir. Line number 2 also error, sir. Can you go up in the down? Yeah. See, this one is first. Yeah, because in range is not accepting, sir. So instead of in range, you can change it to list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and try it once, sir. Or you need to define P. Can you define P or something, sir?
No, P need not be defined. P automatically defined, right?
Yes,
Yesterday
correct.
also we have
Instead
done.
of yes, we have done. So instead of range, can remove the range and make it as list, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see whether it is working fine or not. List square
Only list.
bracket
You are
1, 2,
saying
3, 4,
list.
5. Yes, yeah, list. I mean square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir.
One, two.
Square bracket, or tuples. Yeah,
This one
one. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
does not take. It will not take like this.
No, you can just try it once, sir.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5.
5.
Yes. Can you execute now, sir? Whether it will take.
No.
No. Okay. Can you assign it to this list into a variable and then check once?
Actually, this this must be printed. Why it is not printing exactly? Like this P. Yesterday we have written one program. P into P or P in range or Q in range. Q into Q for Q range 5 to 15. If Q percentage not equal to 0. Now it is working. See, the logic is like this here. P into P for P in range 5.
Okay.
0, 1,
Yes, sir.
1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. 525, 749, 981, 11, 121, 13, 161.
Oh, okay, sir.
It should be like this. I have written correctly. Like this. Okay, this is how about
Oh,
dictionary
okay.
comprehension. Let us start one more topic here today. Functions. So generally every language supports functions. So functions are not nothing but reusable components. And the major advantage of functions in any language is it is going to provide reusability feature. Okay, like function is a syntax or structure which can be used to represent some business logic to perform some operation. So let us write definition. Function is a structure that can be used to represent the business logic to perform an operation. So function be executed automatically. Function will be executed whenever we make a function call. One function can be called for n number of times. So like how we are using functions in C, C++, .NET, okay, Java. In Java also functions are there, .NET, C, C++, every language almost supports functions. Now here, so if you want to define a function, the general format, the general syntax of the function will be like this. Definition, and this is function name, variable 1, variable 2, and variable 3, etc. So this is function header. This is called as function header, and within this we can write business logic. Business logic we can write anything. And finally, if you want to return something, you can write return value. For example, print begin. I am defining a function called f1. Okay, this colon. Function name should be, and function header must be ended by colon. Definition, function name is function1 f1, and you can write print I am in f1, and you can make a call. So to make a call, just specify name f1 and f1. 2 times you are calling, and finally this end. It is very simple function which is going to display a message called I am in f1. Copy this and paste it over here. 2 times we are calling I am in f1. I am in f1. Automatically 2 usages have come here. And within the function you can write a documentation string. Okay, documentation string actually it is used to provide the description about the function. It is just like comments. Okay, it is just like comments. Documentation string. Documentation within a function, okay, is used documentation string. Within a function is used to provide description about the function. Within the function, documentation string is optional, but it is not recommended. To define documentation string, to define documentation string in the function. Let us write a documentation string f1. You can write a documentation string with three double quotations. Sample function to test documentation string and use print f1 some message. Help of length of the documentation string is given here. Help of f1. Let us see what happens, what is going to be printed. One usage. This is syntax unmatched. Line number 6. Allow on function 1 in module and f1 sample function to test documentation string. So this is the output that you are going to see. Okay, when you write documentation string. Now this part is important, parameters part. So here in these two examples, I did not give any parameters. Directly we are calling the function. Okay, so if you want to give parameters, so how you can give parameters? So here there are two types of parameters are available. One is non-default parameters, other one is default parameters. Then what is the difference between non-default and default? Okay, this is only available in Python. Okay, these are not there in other programming languages. First, let me write about variables. The variables which are declared within the function. Declaration. Function declaration are called parameters. At the time of calling the function, we have to pass the values to the parameters. Okay. of the function. Parameters of a function can be accessed within same function only. Within the function, within the function declaration, parameters are optional. Python supports two types of parameters. One is non-default parameters and second one is default parameters. So here there is a difference between default and non-default. Okay, and all together. So what I mean to say here is at the time of declaring function, we have to declare variables. And if no variables are declared, no problem. That means if a function declares variable and to that function we have to pass one or two variables. And defining a variables is not that much mandatory. So a function can be existed without parameters also, without parameters and without declaration values also. And when a function takes one or two arguments, and at the time of calling the function, we have to pass, okay, sufficient number of parameters. Suppose a function is taking two arguments. Now, at the time of calling that function, we need to pass two arguments. Then only the function can be called. Now, when it comes to Python, Python is going to support two types of parameters. One is non-default, other one is default parameters. Then what is non-default parameters? Non-default parameters. The parameters which are declared without assigning any value are known as non-default parameters. At the time of calling the function, we should pass values of the non-default parameters of the function. Now let us define a set here. So I am defining a function called add. So add is going to take two arguments. And here I am defining a variable here c equal to a plus b. This is okay, right? And print c. And say here add 10 comma 20. Add 100 comma 200. Add, I am going to give one more set 123 or 124 256. So the parameters which are declared without assigning any value are known as non-default parameters. So here we did not assign any values, right? A and B values will be depending upon the values which you are passing here. So when first call is made, okay, 10 is assigned as A, 20 is assigned as B. And when second call
Okay.
is made, 100 is assigned as A, 200 is assigned as B. And when third call is made, okay, So here 124 is assigned as A and 256 assigned as B. Here these are called as non-default parameters. So here at the time of calling the function, we should pass values to the non-default parameters of the function. Here these are non-default parameters. Now let us see. This is very simple, right?
Yes. Yes. Parameterize function.
And automatically it is taking A10, B20, A100, B200, A124, B256. Here this is the power of PyCharm ID. So in when you are writing program in Notepad, it kind of editors, this facility will not be there. 30, 300, and 380.
Okay.
This is about non-default parameters.
Okay, sir.
And suppose when I use add without brackets, what happens here?
It will throw an error. There is no such method.
It expects two values, right? It is
Yeah, there is
expecting two
no.
values.
It's yes. It's a not a parameterized function.
Definitely, it is going to throw error. Missing error here. Add is missing two
Two
required position
arguments.
parameters. This is about non-default parameters. And when it comes to default parameters, when you are not passing values, automatically values will be taken. The parameters which are declared by assigning some value are known as default parameters. And at the time of calling the function, we need not to pass
Pass anywhere.
default values to the parameters of a function. Let us consider one simple program. Definition add. Here I'm saying a equal to 10. Sorry, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. And c equal to a plus b. Let us print c value. Print c. So here if you don't pass any values here, add simple. Okay, by default 10, 20 will be assigned to a and b. And if you pass the values, so if you pass a value like add 1000, what happens here? A value will be replaced by 1000. And even you can pass two values also. When you can pass two values, 100 comma 200. Okay, so if you don't pass any values, the default values are 10 and 20. And if you pass the values, okay, those values will be assigned to A and B. Add 123, okay, to 34. Okay, first call 30, second call, okay, you will be overwritten with 1000, sorry,
1000.
100.
Yeah. No, no, 1000 only.
thousand, right? Thousand plus 20, 1020.
2020.
100 plus 200. Fourth call is
Yes.
123 plus 34, 357.
357.
And even you can define one single value also. How to define single value? Definition, add a comma b equal to 20. And a is non-default, b equal to b equal to 20 is default value. So here c equal to a plus b. It expects one value to be given. Print c. Add 1000. Okay, so default, so a will be assigned as 1000 and add this is 100 comma 200. Add 123, 4, 5, 6. Let us see the results. One thousand 100, 200, 300, 123, 456. It is 579. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine.
So after defining the default value parameters, we are not allowed to define non-default values. Okay. Of course, this is not required. We know all this one, right? Okay. So let us take arguments. The values which we are passing to the parameters. Parameters uh, passing the passing passing from passing from with a function call. Function call are called arguments. So here Python supports two types of arguments. They are non-keyword arguments and keyword arguments. So what is this non-keyword arguments? the arguments which are passed without assigning to the parameters are called non-keyword arguments. Okay, so let us define one function. Define which function name I can define? Say hello. Name comma message. Print hello name comma message. So name and message are arguments. Sorry, parameters, not arguments. And say call this function. Say hello Durga soft. Okay. Say hi. And say hello. I'm calling second time. Durga soft Shiva. So here we are not specifying any values. Okay, so here in the first function call, Durga soft is assigned to name and say hi is assigned to message. And here Durga soft is in the second call, Durga soft is assigned to name and message will be assigned as Shiva. Automatically they came. Sing hello Durga soft, say hi, hello Durga soft Shiva. This is about non-keyword arguments. And in keyword arguments, this is reverse. And in non-keyword arguments, we don't, so the arguments which are passed without assigning to the parameters are known as non-keyword arguments. But in case of keyword arguments, what happens here? It is completely reverse. So what happens here? So we are going to assign the values. We are going to specify the values. Let us see what happens. Keyword arguments. The arguments which are passed by assigning to parameters names are known as keyword arguments. Let's see definition. Same function I'm defining. Say hello, name and message. Colon int hello name comma message. So we are calling this function say hello, and I am specifying name equal to Durgasoft comma message equal to and say hello name equal to same Durgasoft message equal to hi. Right. Here clearly we are mentioning which value for which argument, which parameter. So these are keyword arguments.
Yes, sir. Even we can assign variable outside, and then also we can pass a variable alone, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So okay.
So there were then one more interesting concept here: arbitrary parameters. The parameters which are declared, which are preceded, not declared, preceded by asterisk symbol are known as arbitrary parameters. This is not A, this is not A, this is O. At the time of calling of the function, the time of the calling function, we can pass 0 or more values to the arbitrary function. And one more important point: arbitrary parameter type, okay, internally taken as tuple. Now let us define one arbitrary parameter. So here it is nothing but pointer add, okay, definition add, and we can define add. Just a minute, guys. Add star a colon. Now when you say print a and print type of a, let us call this function add without any arguments. Add, I am passing one argument. Add 10 comma 20. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a minute. This it is tuple. Okay, first when I am printing a, okay, it is tuple type. So here first when I pass 100, 100 is stored in a. the value of a 100 will be printed 10 20. Okay, so a values will be 10 comma 20, and in fourth call a values will be 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 are printed. Okay, so is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. But why? Wait, which situation we will use this star A?
We don't know
This
how
star.
many parameters are there to be called. We when we have indefinite values. Okay, sometimes
Oh,
we might be having one, and sometimes we might be having two values, or sometimes. Okay, I don't know how many values I have to pass. Then you can use. Okay, these arbitrary parameters.
okay.
Just a minute. Battery is complete dry. So today I'm stopping, okay, and tomorrow there may not be class because tomorrow we have some occasion in my house, okay. So that is
Okay,
why
sir.
tomorrow I'm not taking the session.
Ah, okay, sir. Fine, sir.
So then
Sir,
we
next
meet
week.
day after
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. 11, 12, 13. Next week, Pongal is there for us.
tomorrow. 11, 12,
Monday.
13. See,
No, no, Monday.
uh,
Monday, sir. Next week, Monday, sir.
we are not giving any holidays. Okay, let us contact me Durga Soft. Okay, so if any is there, and tomorrow is 11, right? 11. Next class will be
No, sir.
12.
Actually,
12.
15th only. No, sir. 15th only, sir. 15th only we have a festival in Chennai,
Yeah,
actually.
15th only.
15th only, sir.
Okay, so you are asking Monday,
Yeah, I'm
you want
asking
holiday?
permission. Yes, I want holiday. Monday only, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so you'll give no problem. Okay, so we
Ah,
have
okay.
we have some time, right? We'll discuss.
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. You are from Chennai, right?
Ah, yes, sir. I'm from Chennai. Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Ah, thank you, sir.
so I think we meet day after tomorrow. Thank you.
Ah, okay, sir. Fine. Thank you, sir.